Hello guys, welcome back na naman dito sa ating YouTube channel guys. So meron tayong ginawa ngayon. Ito, tote bag pala to guys. Ito yung mga bag for ano. Yan, tote bag. So yung printing natin dito is sublimation siya guys. Sublimation. Yung heat press natin nagamit yung maliit lang, which is yung 6-in-1. So ayan. Kailangan nating i-preheat para yung ano niya, yung materials na tote bag flatten talaga yung pagkalagay guys. Tapos yung design natin, ito na yung ilalagay nating design, which is ito na yung kalabasan niya. So hello guys, another day, another printing na naman tayo dito sa ating YouTube channel. Ayan, yan yung output niya guys. So yung ginawa natin dito, dinesign natin from Photoshop, and then print natin dito sa printer. Afterwards, prines na rin natin dito sa ating 6-in-1 na printer, 6-in-1 na heat press. Huyi brand pala to guys. So if you have any questions, just comment down below, and then don't forget to subscribe na rin sa ating YouTube channel guys. Ito yung output niya. So kung gusto niyo magkaroon ng idea about this printing services, you can visit our YouTube channel, and then we have a lot of tutorial there about printing services. We have printing tutorial, yung mga heat press nandun din sa ating YouTube channel guys. So guys, thank you very much. This is Lad Support. Thank you for watching this video. Bye guys.